Okay, students, hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. See, children, the life became quite monotonous, isn't it? A second successive year, the man is confined inside the room, and then main problem is that the you children are not able to go to your school, which is your second home. There you are exposed to your friends, your teachers, and really you enjoy the life with the work, and at the same time you develop your academy and physically also, and you are mentally very sound going to schools also. So what to do? The situation is so alarming, dear. You can't take all this opportunity. Now human life is almost squeezed due to COVID-19. And then this year again the situation has become more sad, because the mortality rate of the man is too much. Therefore we need to take precaution. The most horrifying thing is that we do not know when the peace and normalcy will come back. See, we'll have to wait for the time. We'll have to completely uh, depend on God. We'll have to offer our prayer for the happiness and normalcy. Definitely He will grant you the happiness and peace very sooner. Don't get upset. Citizen, you are going through online education and all since the beginning of this academic year. You couldn't go to school. Since not this academic year, since last year, you are going through online educations only, and that has become really monotonous for you children. What to do? Just by this time you have been smart with the parallel system of education that is also there. One thing I will tell you, you are getting so much of boring going through your tight schedule of online classes and all, then evening hours doing the homework, then finding some tuition also for your personal doubt clarification also. So you are having a tight schedule all around. Now the time has come that you have 1 month you can spend of your own. Of course, a little bit of work will be there as holiday assignments or project. See, man can live a happy life with the work only. Without work, life will be monotonous, and that is also there. Therefore, we are going to assign you the holiday homework. This is the best time actually. Holiday homework and project also. Project, some on-hand work. By hand, you'll have to do some of the work, some of the work, so that you gain knowledge on the subject. At the same time, you're practically also able to do something. So that is that involves you, and that makes you happier at the same time. So math project, what I'm going to assign to you is finding the volume of cubical open boxes. You need to find 5 cubical open boxes volume. By what you will do it, I will tell you. What are the things you require is, first you need to have a practical file like this. Practical file, don't take a channel file for this year project because you are in class 8. So why practical file is required? You need to paste your project to the left hand side, project to the left hand side, and right hand side you can write about it. You don't understand? That is why practical file is required. One practical file. You need to have some color paper. Color paper will be better. You need to have paper, some art paper. 1 or 2 art paper sheet will do. Not so thin and not so thick. Art paper means it will not be thin, but not so thick also. So that you will have to paste there in the practical copy. You need to have scale to measure your centimeter division, to make that art paper by 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter square shape like this. You need to make it. Then you need to have some pen also, or pencil, so that you can put the margin. You'll have to take the thickness. So for that, pen or pencil will do. Then you need to have a pen to write down things. You need to have glue with you, just to paste this one over the practical file, that you need to paste it. You need to have glue also, and you need to have some color pen to write down, to do the decoration. You must have one scissors with you for doing so. How will you do? To give demonstration only I am making this video. I don't want to give pain to my student. You should be very thorough of your work. That is what is my intention. What you need to do, first you need take a that paper and make a shape of 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter square shape. Can you see it is a 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter square shape paper? Could you understand? You need to make like this 5 paper cutting. You need to do 5 paper cutting like this. Okay. Next step, what you are going to do? You are going to make each paper different thickness. First task is that you are making an open box with thickness 0.5 centimeter. 0.5 centimeter. What will you do? For that, you need to make the leaving each edge 0.5 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. In fact, 1 centimeter from each a corner. From each corner, all the side. This side also 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is this gap. This line is, this margin is after 1 centimeter. So like this 0.5 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter, you will and make a shape like this. Could you understand me? This is 1 centimeter. You need to make 5 boxes like this. One is with the 0.5 centimeter thickness. Another is 1 centimeter thickness. The third one will be 1.5 centimeter thickness. The fourth one will be 2 centimeter thickness, and fifth one will be 2.5 centimeter thickness. And you need to find out the volume of each boxes and write down on the right hand side of the of your practical copy. The practical copy, soft copy, I will send to you. Don't worry. First you learn this. How will you do? First you have made 5 10 by 10 square shape paper cutting. This can be 5 different color. It will look good. If not, one color also will do. Okay, then you need to put the margin leaving the thickness you are going to leave for each boxes. One box will be having 0.5 centimeter and a second box will be having 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter gap. Okay, I will talk about this only. 1 centimeter you have kept from the edge. This is 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. So all the side 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter you have drawn, and inside you have got a rectangle which is just, if it is 1 centimeter, this 1 centimeter, this side 1 centimeter and this side, that means 2 centimeter. If the length will be here, if it is 10 centimeter, it will be 8 centimeter. Why? Because 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, both the side it is diminished. Okay, what you need to do now, you need to cut the corner part. If you cut the corner part properly, if you cut properly, all this cutting and all has to be very right angle. Cut like this. If you cut each edge, you will find like this. This cutting has to be proper. It has to be right angle. When you are cutting the paper 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter, that also has to be right angle. So that is the mathematical or technical aspect of this. Finally, you will get paper cutting like this. You will get the paper will be in this shape. Could you understand? Leaving this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. Now if you fold it from all the side, you will find the open box. Open box. What will be its dimension? I will tell you. Open box, you are finding it. Open box, you are finding it. So open box, what will be the volume? Volume will be length. Length is inside one. This one. This is the length. Length will be how much? It was 10 total. Out of that 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter subtracted. So length became 8 centimeter. Breadth also will be 8 centimeter. Isn't it? Breadth also will be 8 centimeter because here and here 1 centimeter diminished. Could you understand? Length and breadth will be 8 centimeter by 8 centimeter and height will be how much? 1 centimeter. So volume will be what? 8 into 8 into 1 centimeter. Could you understand? That will become 64 centimeter cube. Volume of this open boxes will become 64 centimeter cube. Like this, you have to do 5 tasks. Box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, box 5. Then at last you have to make conclusion. The volume of which box is the bigger one. Means greater one. Could you understand me? That you have to write down conclusion. What you will write down and what you are going to do on the file that I am going to send this soft copy, this one also. See, you need to write down the name on the cover page, and that can be handmade also. Don't have to go for computer work or so. You can do it this one with your own diagram or own artwork. Then first page will be index. Then your acknowledgement. Then is your introduction, then is your about mathematics introduction. Only one introduction will do. He has written two introduction about mathematics, about mensuration. You need to write only one introduction about this project introduction. Now see the first box started. This side is the box. See, if you remove all these things, now you will find the open box. You have to do and paste it on the copy, mind it. Don't draw and send me, then you will not get point for it, my marks for it. Could you understand me? So this is black color, that is why it is not visible very nicely, otherwise it would have been. So this is see, it's an open box, 0.5 centimeter thickness. Could you understand? This side writing about the this project, like these 5 boxes, and then you'll have to write down, see, box 5. See, you'll have to paste it, and once you remove that one, no, you will find the volume of the box. You will find the box like shape. Can you find the box like shape? You can find the box like shape, and it is written about this. And then last page will be yours conclusion, where you are concluding which box is having how much volume and which one is the greatest. Then bibliography. Then that will do. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Doubt if any, you will talk to me in my personal WhatsApp. Okay dear, I will send all this thing in NTAB also, but I thought I will give you demonstration directly, taking your consent also. That is why I send you in the group.